C-Rad.
Greetings and salivations, everyone, and welcome to another KRISTIQUE corner on C-Rad. I'm Krista, and this is my little corner of our channel where I do reviews, DIYs, and talk about things that I think are just totally rad. So if you like this video and want to see more, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing us in the future. Okay, so today I want to talk about feet. No, not regular feet. Specifically, I want to talk about 3D printed feet that could be used to modify your Mattel The Child. A lot of people were disappointed that the Mattel The Child plush did not come with legs or feet. So in response to that, a number of fans came up with ways to add legs and modify their Baby Yoda plush dolls. And I've even done that myself, and I've got a few videos on that which you can see right here. And I'll put that link in the description below so you can check it out when you're finished watching this video if you'd like. There are now a few sellers on Etsy who are selling the 3D printed Baby Yoda feet that can be easily added to your plush, and I have a huge makeover project coming on involving a Mattel The Child. It's going to be repaint, rebody, re-robe, all kinds of fun things. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe so you don't miss that because this is going to be an awesome project. But anyway, back to the feet. I decided to buy two different pairs from two different sellers on Etsy so I could see which ones would work best with my project. I wanted to show you both pairs today, that way I could show you the similarities and the differences, and also quickly kind of go over how easy it is to add them to your Baby Yoda plush doll. And this way, if you're wondering if you should buy them or not, maybe this video will help you decide. There are other sellers out there besides the two that I got, but these two pairs were within my budget at the time, so that's what I went with. But hey, if the other sellers want to reach out to me and work out a deal where I can review theirs too, I'm open for that. Give me a call. We'll talk. The first set of feet that I'm going to show you came from the 3DB Design Co. on Etsy, and it's this little pair right here. I went with the unpainted because I want to match it to the Mattel The Child that I'm going to be doing in my project. However, they do offer a painted version. I just don't know if it's going to completely match the green since the Mattel The Child comes in different shades. So that's another reason we're going with the unpainted would be good. If you want to match it exactly, go with the unpainted. But this pair is a little cute. Got little wonky toes there. There's an edge around the top for a zip tie, which I'll explain a little bit later. The bottom of the feet, yeah, they're pretty basic and not real finished. I am probably going to have to do a little bit of sanding before I paint on these, but they were $10 plus shipping. Got them super fast. I got them within a week of ordering them. Super cute and fast. They're super light. It's that normal 3D plastic that they use for any 3D printing. If you've ever bought a 3D printed item, they're plastic. They're hollow. Again, very light, but they're cute. The other pair that I got is from BabuBabies on Etsy, and those took a little bit longer to get. I think I ordered these at the beginning of July, and I literally just got them the other day, so it was about a month. So even though the shipping on these said when I had ordered them 1 to 2 weeks, I noticed now that she has her shipping up to 2 to 4 weeks. But this is the pair from BabuBabies. The bottom of these are actually really cool. They've got nice little rough designs in there. The nails are a little bit pointier. Again, I'm going to have to do some light sanding on them before I paint them. And again, I went with the unpainted version just for the reasons that I said before. But BabuBabies does offer a painted version, and they also do a version with pull-on legs attached. The legs looked a little bit long, so I wasn't really jazzed about those. So just going for the unpainted feet for my upcoming project. These are a little bit heavier than the first pair. There's a little bit more weight to them, but they are also hollow. I think the plastic's thicker on these. So quality wise, they're both beautiful, but I think BabuBabies wins on that. And these were also $10. So same price, longer shipping, but I think these are a little bit better quality. Looking at them both together, see if you can tell the difference there. This one is from 3DB Creations. This one is the BabuBabies. The toes are a little bit chunkier on this one, and the foot all around is a little bit bigger. The BabuBabies one also has this little claw in the back, which also has a little nail on it. Now, size-wise, looking at them compared to the child, I'm going to say the BabuBabies one's definitely more in proportion to what the Mattel The Child is. These are a little bit smaller. So these might work good if you add actually one of the longer-legged baby doll bodies, because it'll give the illusion that the feet are normal feet size. I got my little model Izzy here, just to give you an idea if he were to have feet, what it would kind of look like. But I know that's not giving you the greatest idea, so let me pull out a pair of pants and kind of show you an easy way to temporarily attach them so that you can see how they look on the Mattel The Child. I've got a pair of preemie pants. You can see that I've got the one leg rolled up. That's because I like the shorter legs on my little Baby Yodas, so I think this will actually work well for demonstrating the foot. I'm just sliding the foot up into the leg there, and I'm going to hold this tight. Now, since I don't have a zip tie on hand right now that'll fit this little channel here, I'm actually going to use a rubber band to temporarily secure this onto the leg. And if you don't have zip ties, this actually might be a good alternative. So you want to make sure that you're getting that into the channel, and then you're just going to tighten the rubber band around it until it's completely tight and secure. You might have to manipulate that rubber band a little bit, just make sure everything's in there. Now, another thing that might work besides a rubber band or a zip tie is if you have a piece of string, tie that around there really super tight so it holds it on there. Like I said, mine's just a temporary fix for the moment, since these will be going on my major project. But there is one foot there. I'm going to put the other foot, the other style foot, on the other one. Okay, I've got the other foot from 3DB Creations on the other one. Now, this one's on there really good, but this one I struggled with to get it on there even temporarily, just so I could show you what they look like on the Mattel The Child. So definitely string or zip tie for this one, or rubber bands are not going to work. I'm pretty sure this is going to pop off. So let me slide these on Izzy, and I will show you how they look as feet on the Mattel The Child without the stuffed legs. So here he is. I mean, he's got a little bit of a leg hanging there, but I did not stuff them. If you want to throw some polyfill in there to give him a little bit of leg, that's awesome too. But with the length that I have, his feet do just kind of stick out of the bottom there. Now, he's not going to stand on these unless you put like rigid pipe in his legs, but the feet do give that added illusion of the actual Baby Yoda feet. So when I use my feet, I'm going to be doing that huge project that I talked about. And that project is going to involve, yes, another of Roseann's boutique awesome preemie size Baby Yoda bodies. Now, if you've seen my video on the other one, you know she has the zip ties for the head and hands. If you haven't seen that video, you can see it right here. And I do a whole reborn where I add the head and hands and stuff it and all that fun stuff. But on this one, I had her do a custom leg for me, and instead of having the little feet in the legs, she left the legs open so I could add these to them as well. Again, it has the little channel there for the zip tie, and once I do the project, it'll go in there, the zip tie will go in the channel, I'll close it on up, and then we'll have our legs with our awesome little feet. I'm so excited about this project. I'm so close to having everything I need to do it, and that's going to be over a few videos, so Guys, I can't wait. I can't wait to show you. But anyway, I'm not going to zip tie those now because I don't want to use up the zip tie on her awesome body. If you don't know who Roseann's Boutique is, I'll put the link to her Facebook page in the description of this video. She does reborn bodies for the Mattel Baby Yoda dolls, and I think she charges, I think it's $20 now no matter what size you get. She does a preemie size, and which I think is 16 inches, and then she does a bigger size which is 18 inches. I go with the preemie size all the time because to me, Baby Yoda, he's 16 inches long, so go with what's authentic. Now when I do that future project that I'm talking about, I'm going to be using this little guy right here, a brand new Mattel The Child. Actually, I've had this one for a while because he's one of the lighter ones, and I wanted a lighter one for this project that I've been planning for a few months now. But I'm going to be doing a repaint on him. I'm going to be doing hair. He's getting a brand new robe that I had custom made from Such a Bird Sewing. Check her out on Facebook if you haven't seen her yet. I have the robe, but guys, you can't see it. It's going to be a surprise. But she does amazing work. So I will put the link to her Facebook page in the description as well. Check her out if you want some custom robes for your Mattel The Child. Overall, personally, I like the ones from BabuBabies better. They are the same price and they are both going to have to be painted. These are great feet. They're just a little bit small for what I have in mind for my project. So either way, these are faster shipping. These you're probably going to wait a month or longer for. So either way, it's just up to you how long you want to wait for your Baby Yoda feeties. Alright guys, you came to see what you saw and you've seen it. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing us in the future. Guess there's only one thing left to say. Alright little guy, we'll see you later.